Yeah, it's your boy, G baby. Yeah, just feel me. Yeah, so many places I could take it. Had to make an error just so I could make it. I don't regret a motherfucking thing. I still got a girl and she still don't got a ring. Jake One, how you not listen to my songs? My flow is feeling right. If I kill it, is it wrong? Somebody once said, if you want it, you should work. Gotta get that money, or if not, I'll get you first. And hey mom, glad to see you back and doing you. I really miss the city and I really miss your food. Class has been good, I picked up some extra shifts. Lately I've been thinking whether or not this is a gift. How things come together, a thought to a rhyme. If only forever was a real time. But oh well, look what you created. I couldn't have done it if you wouldn't have hated. Bet it just sucked to see me better off than you. The game is all sick, and me, I'm just a flu. Smoking on the finest, my girl a lioness, and she a dime piece, classy, timeless, any fucking way. What I came to say, I just want it all on the silver plate. Had to go in, no pen, just pain. Let it all come down like some fucking acid rain. What's up? Yeah, what's up? Yeah, what's up? Yeah, it's Friday night. It's like midnight. It's raining like a motherfucker out here. Yeah, you know where I am. Fresno, Cali. Yeah, for everybody out there partying, drinking tonight, just y'all be safe, you know. No DUIs, huh?